Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2016 Volvo XC90 R design we have new in stock. This XC90 is finished in the optional Onyx black metallic paint. You've got the standard 20-inch black painted alloy wheels with the diamond turned finish. LED daytime running lights are standard. Privacy glass is standard. You've got the matte silver trim elements around the exterior of the car, such as the mirror caps, the window surrounds. The roof rails also finished in matte silver. You've got a full leather interior as standard. You've got the full electric functions available for the driver and the passenger with the lumbar support as well. You've also got the memory settings available on the door cards. You've got your leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel. You have access to cruise control on the left hand side. You've got the R design badging on the bottom of the steering wheel. You've got the Orrefors crystal gear lever knob as a standard feature on the R design in the center console. Your start stop button functions. You have a huge LCD screen for your center console controls. You have access to a whole host of different features through here, such as your heated seat controls for the driver and the passenger, access to your media functions such as DAB radio. You've also got access to a whole host of different driving assistant modes, such as road sign information and some parking assistant functions as well. If you'd like any more information on this Volvo XC90 R design, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.